Let's start with the boiler mounting and boiler accessory. Okay, so uh, what is the boiler mounting? So mountings are a fittings or and the devices which are necessary for the operation of the boiler and safety of the boiler. So mounting is nothing but it is a devices or fittings which are necessary. It is compulsory. If you do not have a mounting, you cannot run your boiler. You need to stop your boiler. So without mounting, your boiler cannot be run. Okay, and because it is for a safety purpose and operation. So like safety valves, water level indicator, pressure gauge, steam stop valve, feed check valve, blow off cork, mud hole, sight hole, a main hole, test gauge. All these components are a mounting. Okay, so what is the difference between mounting and accessory? Let's see the definition of accessory. These are the auxiliary part. Oh, sorry. These are auxiliary plants or parts required for the steam boiler for their proper operation and increase the efficiency of the boiler. So to run the boiler, it is a mandatory. Mounting is mandatory, but accessory is not mandatory. It is used to increase the efficiency. If you do not have a accessory, then plant can run or boiler can run, but your efficiency may be reduced. But in case of mounting, if you do not have any attachment of the mounting, then you can say your boiler cannot be run. So this is the difference between mounting and uh, accessory. So you can see over here, feed pump, injector, economizer, air preheater, superheater, steam separator, and the steam strap. All these components are, or we can say fittings, is called a boiler accessory. So if we summarize the boiler mounting and boiler accessory, then we simply says that mounting is for operation and safety of the boiler. Mounting is for operations necessary for the operation and safety of the boiler. Okay, and it is a necessary, or we can say it is a compulsory thing, mandatory thing. But accessory, it is the auxiliary part. Okay, so it is for proper operation and increase the efficiency. If you not attach the accessory with the boiler, then your efficiency may be decreased, but your plant can be run. That's for sure. But if you not fitted the mounting, then your plant cannot be run or cannot be operated. You can uh, see if you do not have a safety valve, then if the steam pressure is increase in the drum, then what happen? Your drum is directly explodes. Okay, an explosion may be take place. So without safety valve, your boiler cannot be run. Water level indicator. You cannot see the water level inside the drum. So if you do not have a water level, it means that you cannot see the water level inside the boiler. So without water level indicator, how much amount of water is required inside the drum, you cannot observe. So it is a mandatory thing. Pressure gauge, same thing. How much pressure is available inside the boiler drum, you cannot measure, you cannot see. So these things is also a mandatory. Steam stop valve. If there is no steam stop valve, how you can remove the water steam from the boiler drum? If the steam stop valve is not there, then the problem with this is your steam is cannot be removed, or we can say cannot be exhaust from the steam drum. Okay, so this thing is also a mandatory thing. Feed check valve, same thing. You need to require to add the water to the drum. If there is a no feed check valve, means you cannot add or flow the water inside the drum. And if the water level is, the water level is decreases, then explosion is take place. So it is a mandatory thing. Blow off cork is mandatory thing, because if you want to remove the water from the boiler or mud from the boiler, then you need to require a blow off cork. Without it, you cannot, uh, we can say, trap your water from the drum. Okay, same to same mud holes and sight holes, main hole, and test gauges, different test gauges for inspection. So this all the stuffs which are right over here. It is a mandatory to run the boiler. But the accessory you can see, the pump, if there is a no pump, then you can run your plant for the natural flow. You know the water is circulated in the two way. One is a forced circulation and second one is a natural circulation. If you do not have a pump, then your boiler can be run slowly, but it can run. Maybe efficiency decrease, but can be run. Same the way injector is there. Okay, economizer is there. Economizer, injector, air preheater. We see the later on what is the working of this all the accessories and mountings. So let's start with the different mounting and accessory construction